Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Orange County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Mercer County in southern New Jersey, southern Monroe County in central New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Westerville, Hamilton Square, or over Trenton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations intended include Falls River, Trenton, Hazard Park, Howell, Ewing, Eaton Falls, Florence, Beechwood, Burlington, Bristol, Mena, Squam, Highttown, Point Pleasant Beach, Bordentown, Seaside Heights, Lakeford, Allentown, and Allentown. People in the scenes of atmosphere and Rivertown celebration and fireworks take shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 6 and 8A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 365 and 359. Between mile markers 37 and 40. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 34. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 48 and 69. Mile markers 76 and 101. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, draw close enough to be stopped. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey.